When a modern job posting goes live, it instantly attracts hundreds, sometimes thousands of applications. A single human reviewer is mathematically incapable of reading every single word on every single page. Faced with that sheer volume, hiring managers are forced to skim. They look for familiar brand names or formatting aesthetics just to narrow the pile down to a manageable stack, often relying on gut feelings rather than objective evidence. This graphic maps the traditional screening pathway. It operates as a sequential chain: resume review, phone screens, and scheduling. Each manual step adds days or weeks to the timeline, creating a significant operational delay. The result is an inefficient bottleneck. High-volume hiring becomes a black hole where time is wasted and great candidates drop out simply because the manual review is too slow. The alternative is moving from a sequential human task to a parallel automated pipeline. By deploying an autonomous interviewing AI, organizations can increase their initial screening capacity by 10 times. Instead of humans reading static text documents, the system conducts a live, interactive conversational video evaluation with every applicant simultaneously. Looking at the system workflow, this architecture operates across a strict three-phase data pipeline: the blueprint, the dialogue, and the record. The subjective human funnel is entirely bypassed. In its place is a structured, machine-driven process designed to identify candidate merit through objective, data-driven measurement. This interface shows the initial ingestion step. To begin, the system requires two core variables: the target job description and the candidate's CV. The AI immediately cross-references these two documents. It maps the candidate's experience against the required competencies, detects specific skill gaps, and formulates a customized question roadmap to probe those exact areas. This generated interview roadmap operates on a strict 80-20 rule. Phase 1 and 2 dedicate 80% strictly to verifying technical knowledge. The remaining 20% pivots to behavioral assessment, using the standardized Ocean psychological model to ensure a rounded profile. Before the interview even begins, the system has constructed a targeted, bias-free interrogation plan tailored specifically to the candidate's resume. For candidates, the experience starts with a single click. No logins or app downloads, just a direct link initiating the real-time video session. This dashboard displays the live session, simultaneously logging a word-for-word acoustic transcript. If an answer lacks technical depth, the core engine parses the context and immediately generates a probing follow-up question to explore the gap. The candidate experiences a responsive, human-centric conversation, while the platform executes a rigorous audit of their technical expertise. The moment the session ends, the AI takes the raw conversational data, aligns it against the original 80-20 rubric, and assigns a score to every answer. This generates a complete record intelligence report. The system provides a question-by-question integrity audit, detailing exact score breakdowns and specific contextual feedback for every response. All of that granular data rolls up into a final candidate evaluation report. It delivers an overall compatibility score, visualizes the skill breakdown, and issues a definitive recommendation to either hire or reject. Subjective impressions and human fatigue are removed from the evaluation, replaced by a quantifiable, mathematically defensible performance record anchored to the job requirements. For the hiring manager, the day-to-day operational reality shifts. They no longer spend hours conducting repetitive, early-stage phone screens. Managers simply log into this centralized dashboard to find a globally ranked list of applicants, complete with their evaluation reports and video logs already processed. By automating the evaluation phase, human recruiters reserve their time for the absolute best talent at the bottom of the funnel, focusing exclusively on the final selection. Nexus AI accelerates the hiring cycle by replacing the bias of resume skimming with a process driven by data. It allows screening to scale infinitely, ensuring that top talent is evaluated strictly on their merit.